Good morning to all of you and warm welcome to the another literature class, The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield, class 9th, taken from Beehives. Alright, now when we read this chapter, let's be down to earth to think of the situation of our own family. Our parents are so busy in their lifestyle that they have hardly time for the children. And there are also children who are longing for the fatherly love and motherly love. Today, in the chapter The Little Girl, we shall find the same kind of situation. Let's get into the text, what it speaks to us. First and foremost, we shall see the author. The author is Catherine Mansfield. She is a short story writer from New Zealand. She was born in 1888 and she passed away in 1923. Alright? Now, The Little Girl is the story. It's about the small girl named Kezia, who misunderstood her father's strictness and usually remained scared of him. She kept a distance from him whenever he would be at home. She considered him, look at the board, she considered him to be as big as a giant. Alright? She would often get nervous and stutters while talking to him. That was the fear in her. She longed for his love, that means father's love and affection. Like the neighbor house, there was a father called MacDonald, and he used to be very close to his children, and he used to pay attention and love them so much. And so, the little girl Kezia, she was also missing this type of situation. Once she was kept indoors as she was affected by cold. Her grandmother suggested that she could make a gift for her father's, because next week her father's birthday is coming. And so she decided that she should make a pin cushion for the father. Kezia made a beautiful pin cushion, but she accidentally made a mistake. She filled it with a bits of paper that she got by tearing her father's important speech. She was punished for that. This incident further estranged Kezia from her father. All the more problem occurred. She would often look at the neighbors, the MacDonald, playing joyously in their lane, and that also affected so much Kezia. Mr. MacDonald was such a good father and played so lovingly with his children. She wondered he might be a different sort of father. The Kezia was using her own understanding. Perhaps that type of father must be different what she has in her house. Once her father was available in the house and mother fell ill and she was hospitalized. She was left alone at home under the care of the cook. At night she had a nightmare and woke up screaming. She found her father standing by her side. He picked her up, took her to the room, and he tucked her up in her bed, and soon she fell asleep. Kezia felt secure lying near her father. She realized that her father was not as big as giant. She felt the beating of her father's loving large heart. She felt the beating of her father's loving large heart, and she understood little more closely to her father's emotions. Finally, she realized her father was very loving and had a generous heart. You would find in the text how how her father slept with her, and that gave really vivid picture to Kezia that indeed her father loves her so much. My dear student, the main characters you saw, Kezia is the main character. And of course the theme you have the relationship between children and their parents. Today's context, we must really ponder over this kind of situation. Try to understand the text, read through and complete the exercise. That is your homework. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.